The universe is growing. Right now, as you watch this, space itself is expanding. Galaxies are drifting apart. Clusters of stars are stretching farther and farther away from one another. But why? Why is the universe expanding? What force is driving it, and will it ever stop? The answers lie at the edge of time, in a moment so powerful it created everything. Let's explore the incredible truth behind the expanding universe, and what it means for the future of reality itself. First, let's clear something up. The universe isn't expanding into something. It's expanding within itself. Think of space like a balloon. As the balloon inflates, every point on the surface gets farther from every other point, not because they're moving through space, but because the space itself is stretching. This is exactly what's happening to our universe. Galaxies aren't flying through space. Space itself is expanding between them. The result? Distant galaxies appear to move away from us. The farther they are, the faster they recede. This observation isn't just theory. It's backed by some of the most important discoveries in science. In the 1920s, astronomer Edwin Hubble made a stunning discovery. He observed that the light from distant galaxies was shifted toward the red end of the spectrum, a phenomenon known as redshift. This shift meant those galaxies were moving away from us, and not just a few, all of them. The farther away a galaxy was, the faster it seemed to be receding. That pattern led to one revolutionary conclusion. The universe isn't static, it's growing. So why is the universe expanding? To answer that, we need to rewind. About 13.8 billion years, everything, space, time, matter, energy, began as a single, unimaginably dense point. Then, boom! The Big Bang wasn't an explosion in space, it was an expansion of space itself. And it hasn't stopped. From that first moment of creation, space has been stretching outward, carrying galaxies with it. The expansion we see today is a direct continuation of that original event. But here's the mind-blowing part. We expected that over time, gravity would slow this expansion down. But in 1998, astronomers found something shocking. The expansion isn't slowing, it's speeding up. Something we don't fully understand is pushing galaxies apart faster and faster. We call it dark energy. It's invisible, it's everywhere. And it might make up nearly 70% of the entire universe. We don't know exactly what dark energy is, only that it's real. And it's changing the future of the cosmos. So what does an ever-expanding universe mean? It means that billions of years from now, galaxies will drift so far apart, their light will never reach us. Stars will die out, new ones will stop forming, and the universe will grow colder, darker, and more isolated. This possible fate is known as the heat death, a universe stretched so thin it becomes silent and still. All because space won't stop growing. The expansion of the universe isn't just a cosmic fact, it's a window into how reality works. It touches on the nature of time, space, gravity, energy, and the destiny of everything we know. And it all started with one simple question. Why is the universe expanding? We're still searching for the full answer. But every discovery brings us one step closer to understanding the biggest story ever told. If this blew your mind, hit subscribe. At Space Explored, we answer the universe's biggest questions, one episode at a time. Drop your next cosmic why in the comments, and join us next week as we explore the edge of the universe.